Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Judee with you guys. Today we are going to learn how to peel green bananas. How do we peel our bananas? Before we peel our bananas, we first wash them. I've washed mine. See, they are green. Because if you don't wash, remember they have germs, they have sand. So if you wash better, I've washed mine. So before you peel yours, please wash them. So you cut the upper one, go slowly down, down, and then you reach down and cut again. Then you go back again up, go down, down, down. If you have left something, you go back, some peels, you go back and then you turn your banana, you cut again, go down, down, down. Oh, I've left. So you have to go back, like that. Now I'm going again to start.
I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Then after, you go and get your soap and wash this. You can call it matoke, you can call it green bananas. In Uganda, they call it matoke. Thank you for watching. You keep on watching it so that you can learn how to peel green bananas. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the videos with your friends.